Alright, now I have a surprise for you.
Me?
A whole bunch of eggs.
I wonder what's inside them.
Oh no. Alright, there you go. You can start opening them. Start with the big purple one.
A flounder thing.
It's a peace sign. Keychain.
Tapey. What?
Need help?
Why does it have tape on it?
Here.
I can do
You
it.
can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Gotta love the 4-year-olds. Jasmine.
Jasmine and her name. And Brock.
The lamp.
Meanwhile, we're doing reviews.
And yet Memo's in the other room. I love the randomness. I actually enjoy
Tiana and her name.
Tiana.
Stickers. Stickers. Hey, that went flying through my head. Those are flying through my head.
I think this Easter Bunny has magical powers. What do you think?
Hey, stuck to me. Belle and her name. Belle. Belle.
Oh, this is Pots and Chip.
Pots and Chip. Chocolate egg.
Chocolate. See, it's got a bunny on it. I don't know how good you can see it. I may have cut the bunny off because I wasn't paying any attention.
Candy.
Which ones?
Princess.
Princess candy. Fun. Can you
Got it.
eat
A butterfly eraser. Pretty. More princess candy.
Huh? That one's Mickey and Minnie.
Taking a medicine cards, sword, and treasure chest.
Yep.
Chocolate egg. Another chocolate egg. Princess candy.
That's the Cars one. Yeah, that's Cars. You already opened that one, didn't you?
Didn't open this one. Did I?
No? You got tape on it, don't you?
Need help? Ugh.
There you go.
Got a chocolate egg.
It's got a chicken on it. Is that a duck?
Snow White.
Half
and
duck, half
her-
Oh, it's a duck. It's a duck with a flower pot.
An apple. And under is her name. And there's
Did
more
you say apple?
Hi!
Treasure chest. I did say an apple.
It's Applewhite.
Hello, my fans. I am the daughter of Snow White. Ta-ta.
Alright, are we done for today? We're not. I think we are. Is that all the eggs? So what would we say?
Bye.